Hello there, my name is Wes with Mint Julep Motors, and I'm just going to do a quick walk around of our Forest River FR3 motorhome we got here. It's the 28 DS model, and just go through some of the options and storage locations and how a couple of things work or where they're at. So quick run through on the outside. We've got battery location right down here. It's TVs, remote sitting inside there. We got speakers on the external. Shut that. Storage space. There's a couple different storage pots on the outside of the vehicle. One over here as well. And then a large one that goes all the way through the back. This will go from one side to the other, and it actually opens up in the very back as well. Plenty of storage in this vehicle all over the place. Here's the back opening. Some mats to lay out when you're parked. On the side we have our power location for shore power. We've got our external shower water head, and this is also where you do your water fill and water flushes. Some more storage location for some of your hoses. This is where your generator is located. And we also got a propane tank here. This is where you'd open up to fill your propane tank. Have a side slide out as well as a rear slide out. Ladder on the side there. Got the camera on either side for seeing blind spot. It pops up on the screen when you turn the blinker on. Nice large awning. There's LED lights up there at the top. Go on in now. Alright, on the inside to our right we have captain's chairs that swivel. This bed that folds up towards the top, and the ladder is removable. Be stored somewhere else. This is your first slide out. You've got your dining area. This table sets down, and there is a pad right here that you can set on top of it to make a bed. There's seat belts under there as well. Got a microwave oven, stovetop, some cabinets and drawers. Over here is your sink, and an additional countertop here that folds up, locks in place, and your TV for your living quarters area, and this is on a slide out. On the other side here, you've got your fridge, powered by electric and gas. Pantry set door on the sides, and reclining couch. It also folds out into a bed. There's also seat belts in there as well. Through here we have your command center, or convenience center they call it. This is where all your controls are for your slide outs and generator, water pump, and stuff like that. Got a bathroom, sink, toilet, storage. This door acts as a privacy barrier for the toilet as well as the bedroom that we're about to walk into. So left here we have a shower. And then the bedroom, the slide out. We got some storage space on the side, a little closet, a drawer. Some storage space up above. windows on either side of the bed and behind it. A TV for the bedroom. And some more storage space. Air conditioners up top, there's vents. In every room there's lights. Got some external vents that open up to the atmosphere. There's 3 or 4 of those in here. And we'll take you around to the front here. So with the swivel chair, there's also side shades on either side window, and then the front one is powered to get some privacy in here.